Sanibonani balaleli be-KHD Media. Ngigama nguSipho Ncwadi, silana ezone 7 ku-UK Grounds today. Sifike kuma-final emaphethelweni wama-Easter Games wabo, and ngapha ngakumi ngine-organizer wakhona, umhleli wakhona, umuntu oyenza ukuthi mawubheka ngapha uthi ubabonise bona bonke lesizwe sonke lana sihlanganiswa uye lo baba lona every Easter nango-December futhi uyobahlanganisayo, and he's a well-known business person. Mntaka baba kunjani?
Ngiyabonga mfethu. Ngibulise bonke abayeli be-KHD Radio. Uthi ngumsupport mina sengiphasela ibaton senza ulusha lala zone 7. Nasinyenza njengesivakashi. Abathe masikhula kumele abezayo babone kithi. Nawo sesinikeza abanye ukuthi kuba wona ba-organizer nje umvakashi la ekhaya namhlanje.
Oh, so qala wakhe foundation mawuceda wathi thathani lutsha nikhuphuke nge-18 nifake no-baton. Yes. No,
we pass the baton over to the youth. That's zone 7 and the violet large.
Okay, why zone 7 specifically?
Zone 7, I grew up here. Then is around I'm like background.
Okay.
Yeah, now we grow up here. I'm the community in Zalagoye.
Okay.
We go to send the right and the motor pegana. Won't come to Shanghai, the land I'm saying. We have rejoice. This is the Lord, the day that the Lord has made for us to rejoice and be glad in it. Mama chapter and his poison. Umsebenzi wabulula ngoba wonke umuntu la namhlanje ezone 7 and kune session esifana sithi a child in but not a child in court. Now sikwema ukuthi benze ukuphuma endleleni ophe ama drugs ukuthi sibahlanganise la. Yes.
Awungiphi kahle ke the vision when it all started, how did it start to where it is now? Because we must say ukuthi in UK's tournaments they play a big role when it comes to Sidileng festivities. Yes. So, how go see the journey to where it is now till you handed over the baton? Yes.
Well, actually, UK, the Kingdom of Sport and Creation. You come UK, United Kingdom. Now, this is a UK, some of the tournament. I'm a top 4, support the money. Then Sakuna and Minya Rasavan on board, which I about the top 8, top 8 Yabakon, or top 16. Dominion said the top 32, but the Easter personal for this in the top 8, top 16, then the first six in the top 32.
Okay.
Which is the same ground. And the Kulu, we are issuing to pull up and Kuna want to have 7 Zala, about the ground by the same Quincy. Kuna want to have 10 side, but Kuna the same Quincy. Township economy, so I'm at the Mali. Kuna want to have 7 Zimali, kuna want to have 7